So for Wednesday, yan yung ating pangalawang clarificatory hearing, no? We subpoenaed the ombudsman. So we anticipate that the ombudsman will be presenting the SALNs of the vice president. Okay? We subpoenaed also the AMLC or Anti-Money Laundering Council. So we anticipate naman that they will be presenting the report of covered transactions and suspicious transactions of the vice president and husband, no? And then we likewise issued subpoena to Senator Sonny Trillanes, former senator, no? It was moved by Congresswoman Laila De Lima, and I understand that he will be giving testimony with respect also to unexplained wealth and non-disclosure in the SALN. Kasama din sa Wednesday, yung hindi natin na-present last time, the BIR, no? Which will be presenting the income tax returns of VP and husband, and also the Securities and Exchange Commission, which will be presenting naman the GIS and the general information sheet and the audited financial statements of the declared business establishments of the spouses. We initially determined these 3 hearing dates, no? April 14, which we spent with respect to issues of confidential fund. Next is itong April 22, we intend to focus on unexplained wealth and non-disclosure in SALN. The 29th hearing will be focused on the threat, no? So if ever there will be no request coming from the majority of the Justice Committee to fix additional hearing dates, again for the purpose of determination of probable cause, then by 29 afternoon, kung walang request supported by the majority, the committee should be ready to vote on the existence of probable cause.